Hello, digital family. Today we continue with the C# course. The topic is the switch case command. The switch statement in C# is a type of selection control mechanism used to allow the value of a variable or expression to change the control flow of the program's execution. The general syntax is shown on the screen. Here we have expression. This must evaluate to a single value, such as an integer, char, or an enumeration. Starting with C#7, it can also evaluate to a string or a primitive type. Then we have cases. Each case label specifies a constant value. The switch statement compares the constant value of each case to the value of the expression to determine which block of code to execute. Break command is used to terminate a case in the switch statement. If you omit the break statement, it will result in a compile time error unless the omitted break appears before default. Default part is optional. If present, it's executed when the value of the expression doesn't match any of the constants specified in the case labels. Let's do the following example. Write a program that involves entering a single character, which represents an arithmetic operation, and two integers. Display the entered numbers and the result of the performed arithmetic operation. If a character other than plus, minus, or slash is entered for the arithmetic operation, instead of the result, display a message stating that the operation is unknown. Use the switch case command. Let's write the code. Console.WriteLine enter the plus, minus, asterisk and /. We will define variable named operation. Data type of this variable will be char. Char operation equals console.readKey.keyChar. Now let's enter first number. First, print the message enter the first number. We will save the number in integer variable named n1. Repeat this for the second number. And now, we will create a variable named result. Data type should be double because of division. Switch operation. The first case is for addition, so we will use plus sign as a case. If someone enters plus, add the numbers n1 and n2 and save them in the variable result. We will print the message and values of n1, n2, and result. Break operation. Break command is used to terminate a case in the switch statement. We will copy this part of the code and the only thing we will change is the sign. Instead of a plus, we will put a minus. We will copy again for multiplication. We will insert the appropriate sign. For division, we need to check if second number is not 0. If it isn't, determine the quotient of the numbers n1 and n2. Here, we will also add a part for data type conversion. Both numbers are integers, so the quotient would be an integer quotient. Therefore, we will convert the first number to double. If second number is 0, we should print the message division by 0 is not allowed. And default part. It's executed when the value of the expression doesn't match any of the constants specified in the case labels. There we will print the message the entered operation is unknown. Now, let's add one last part at the end to prevent the console from closing automatically. Let's run the code. I will enter the plus sign. Then the number 5. And now the number 6. We got the result displayed. We will close the console and run it again. We will enter, for example, a letter. We received a message that the operation is unknown. If we enter the division sign and set the second number to be 0, a message will be displayed saying that division by 0 is not allowed. We hope this video was helpful to you. We will continue with the C# tutorial soon. Subscribe to the channel.